Hi, welcome to the stock market analysis. Let's take a look at Mara. It has been some time I look at it, but the stock doesn't look very well at this moment. It went below even the rising 200 MA, and right now it's just barely staying above this 200 MA. Usually not a very good sign when the stock declines like this. So if we look at the long-term chart, let me just look at the long-term chart. This weekly chart, you can see the damage being done here. There's a topping tail before it declined. Here is a topping tail before it declined. The reason being there is lots of resistance over here. And all this huge decline here, there's going to be a lot of resistance overhead, because people who lost money here, whenever the stock goes up, they're just going to slam it down because they want to sell to recoup their losses. And at this moment, it's just sitting at the 200 MA. What you can do is to draw this trend line here and see whether you can break above this trend line. Maybe it can go up, drop again, form a double bottom at the 200 MA. But otherwise, this stock is still going to be very, very, very difficult to move up, because it's still below the 20 MA, and you might meet resistance around here. 50 MA might act as a resistance. So watch this trend line very carefully to see if it can go up. We recently have a bearish cross here. We tried to form some kind of cup with handle, but the breakout failed. A topping tail happened and boom, all the way declined. So if we go to the hourly chart, we can see that actually this sell-off happened when it broke below this uptrend line, gap down, and all the way it goes down here. There was a bearish cross here and below the 200 MA, and that's why after this bearish cross, it broke below this consolidation, and the sell-off begins. Two topping tails here, and then break below the consolidation. Short, those who short can actually short here, put the stop loss right lower, and many areas to short the stock actually, as it is a bearish mode in the past. So bearish setup here, bearish setup here, we can put the stop loss and then right lower, and then it broke above this consolidation. Now it's trying to have a bullish cross right back up, but you want to see it break above this downtrend line I have drawn. Usually if the stock is below the 60-minute 200 MA, you don't want to long it and hold it for a few days. Like swing trades, definitely no, because it's kind of dangerous. Here it gave a buy setup when it broke below above the uptrend line, from a double bottom type, and it was above the 200 MA, and swing trade for a few days was alright. But when it's below the 200 MA, it can be kind of dangerous and dicey to long the stock and hold it for a few days. So this it's really not easy to play with all these congestions coming in. Even if it breaks up, you might see some resistance here and some resistance over here. Definitely you have to be very careful. Not really an investing type of environment right now. What I would like to see is for the MAs to align themselves again. For example, the 20 MA goes, there's a bullish cross in the daily chart, the 20 MA above the 50 MA and the 50 MA above the 200 MA. Otherwise, you will still find it to be trading sideways like this. And in this kind of environment, it's better for you to trade short term, going in and out in the short term, shorting it, riding it down for a few weeks, and covering your shorts. But investing is not very conducive for investing at this moment. You can see that even in the weekly chart, there are so many areas around here that have a lot of resistance. This went up but slammed down because of the resistance here. This went up, got slammed down because of this head and shoulders. Past people who lost money here need to recoup, and I would say it's really not easy for the stock to move back as an investing quality. So treat this stock as trading opportunity, where it can go up just like this. And actually, if it bottoms, it rounds, make a double bottom, it can actually give you very nice tradable opportunities in this stock. Just have to wait for it. For example, there is this consolidation, bullish cross, right? Rounded kind of bottom. You can buy it all the way up here from put a stop loss. Buy it at 10 to 30, so about 300, gone up by 200%. So we want to see if this downtrend line can go above the downtrend line, maybe form a double bottom and see what we can do from there.